That right there is the water pump. That's what we're trying to get down to and replace. It's got a pretty bad coolant leak. Here's a view of what it looks like. Water pump. That pipe there comes in from the back. And it comes up on the other side. So the cat converter there needs to come out, as well as the power transfer unit for the all-wheel drive. But I think I'm gonna try to sneak it out of there without taking those off. As you can see, very, very tight fitment. There's the coolant pipe. You can't see a damn thing. One of 3 bolts I need to get that pipe out of there. This is the housing on the back of the engine I need to get to. There's 3 bolts. Can't see anything. I can't actually see what I'm doing, so I have to do it all by feel. Bolt number 3, hiding behind the sensor. Now be able to pull this loose, pull it away from the water pump. Might have to give it a little twist. Show you what that looks like. This is my view for all of that. Can't actually see what I'm doing back here at all. Can barely even get my hands in there. Pretty awesome. Here's that housing loose now. What my glove looks like after all that. Trying to do this without taking it all the way apart might have been a mistake. Should be able to get it done. Will it fit? Will it come out the hole? Maybe. Will it fit out the hole? I bet if I take this pulley off it will. Require some wiggling. Yes. Well, I might have to remove this heat shield for some more room. 3 bolts on the shield. I removed 2 out of 3 bolts, left one of them attached because it's in a really difficult spot to remove. I'm just gonna get that out of the way. Let's all hope and to pray. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna be happy if I take the exhaust out anyway. If only I could get my other hand in there, sure would be a lot easier. It wants to. Come on, oh! It's about to be breaking this connector. I'm gonna see about getting this connector undone so I don't break it. Maybe I'll break it trying to get it off. Because that's just how things work out. Oh, yes. It's coming out. Got it. Here's the hard part is cleaning up the surfaces when I can barely get my hands in there and I can't see. Clean these up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Got it. Stick that bolt in there. Forget to put that one on there. That's the one that will screw you up on your timing. This washer covers up the actual mark.
Tell you what, man, I could run out and kiss the person that made this stud installer.
Yeah. Oh. Awfully difficult to show this part. Tensioner needs to go in. Created a hole. center. So from here, just gotta double check our timing marks. Yep, looks good. Mark down here looks good. Got things wrapped up down here. Just got to put the air cleaner back on. I went ahead and cleaned out that throttle body while I'm in here.